And for those who have a problem, I want to ask them for forgiveness. And I want to tell them, I am a man on a mission. I have no space to retreat, and I don't have the luxury to surrender. I am a man on a mission to ensure that the jobless, those who are running small businesses, the many farmers who are struggling, they too become part of our nation, and that Kenya cannot be a preserve for leaders and what they want and what they can get. I am asking them to understand that I am a person on a mission. I cannot retreat, I cannot surrender, because we have decided that we are going to change the economy and we are going to have a bottom-up economic experience in Kenya that is going to lift those who don't have jobs to have jobs, the people running small business to be empowered, the many struggling farmers to be supported, so that together we can build a nation where no Kenyan is left behind. I beg them to understand that it cannot continue that those of us who are leaders want to change the constitution so that we can share positions, share power, without regard to the millions of young people who do not have jobs and millions who want support so that they can develop their businesses.